Probate is a court process by which a person who has died has property that needs to be utilized to pay their debts, and if there's anything left over, to be distributed among the people that are either entitled to it by virtue of their relationship, like children, or are named in a will that the decedent has sought fit to pass their property to. Probate is a much more involved process than, say, utilizing a trust to distribute your property. Probate involves filing a lawsuit with the probate court. Basically, the lawsuit says that a certain person has passed and they have assets, and those assets need to be administered. Oftentimes, they need to be liquidated. So if there's a car or a house and the decedent had debts, then the property has to be liquidated to raise cash to pay the debts off. And then once debts are paid, and the expenses then of the administration of the estate are paid, if there are assets left over, then those assets will get distributed to the relatives of the decedent, or if there's a will, according to the beneficiaries of the will. I will say that in almost every state, certainly Kansas and Missouri, have these provisions. If there is a surviving spouse or minor children of the decedent, then there are special provisions carved out so that not all of the assets of the estate will go to creditors, that some money is set aside to help take care of the spouse or the minor children before money is paid to the creditors. But probate's a long process. We want to try to avoid it if we can by doing some good estate planning in advance. That way we try to preserve the estate and keep it from all going to administrative expenses of a probate case and to the creditors. So it's important to do an estate plan to make probate as painless as possible if you do end up there.